Here's another video on Startuts.
Hey guys, so in this video I want to make a player shoot, but before we start I would like to apologize because I have not sent any video for the last 2 weeks, and I'm very sorry for that. The truth is that I made this video like 2 weeks ago, but because of a particular problem I was not able to access them to export it, so please forgive me. And with that said, let's go.
Alright, so the first thing is that I made a gun model which I used Blender to do that. So if you can make models Blender, you can do that, or you can download my gun on GitHub. Alright, so let me open my gun. Alright, so I have my gun script and my gun model with me right now, and it looks somehow, but I tried to make that. So if we try to now bring it out to a player, I'm going to set that, and once set to so it can stay well. And so alright, so before we set it down into a scene, we want it and we want to place some things to it. Okay, so now you will see in the model everything is fine. You can leave it the way it is. You can keep the scale to be alright. Let us leave it the way it is. We can change that later as we move on. So we go to our rig and we leave that with generic, since it's not a human being. So we don't want it to stay there for a particular time, and we don't want to add animation to it. So I want to click off the box and click on apply. Okay, so we have done that, and now we will move it to a player. Go to the camera inside the player. Okay, so because we're doing this so that a player and so that the gun can move in the direction of a player. Okay, so we zoom out by clicking on all and right click, and it is to zoom right now. Okay, so it doing, and if you look, our one is very big because of the main side that was on player, because the main side of blender are not to one, so you have to reduce the size. And to do that, we change and reduce the size to something like 0.5 by 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, let me write there 0.5 now. Okay, so I'll click on F to focus, but it still looks big. Okay, 0.2 and 0.2, and lastly another 0.2, so that everything will be scaled equally in all sides. Okay, so I believe it should look well right now. So I think I'm going to use my hand tool and focus on how to keep it well. Okay, okay, still be very big. So I'm going to change that to 0.05, close to 1. I changed it for all of them, 0.05 and 0.05. Very, very big. 0.09, 0.09, and 0.09. So it should look okay right now. It looks okay now. Alright, so let me focus on it again, and let's turn it around to look, not turn in the direction. I want it to be turned in the other way. Okay, so now use my hand and move it down so I can see it very well. So it now. It looks and I can in the direction of our player. So which I kept right there. You can see half of the team right here. So I'm going to move to move forward. Okay, move back. I'm not moving backwards. Okay. Now I'm going to okay, I will take this. Okay. All right. And now that I've done that, I'm going to move it backwards, move back, and move down, move right to left, inside, and then we have a working gun. So what we are going to use the gun for, I'm going to use the gun to shoot. So something I want to add is that I'm going to right click on the gun and click on empty objects. We call that a muzzle, since I'm where we want to start shooting from. And if I click on X, it will wide because the some of this is a big area. So let me use my way around that it will just place it in the way everything shoots out. Alright, so if you want to learn how to make all of this game on Blender, I'll be sure to do a series on that. I'll be sure to teach you guys how to use Blender for making 3D models for your game. All right. Okay, so my muzzle, I'm going to place it here so that I can see where it is going to be. So I want to place it in the tip of the circle right here, which shows where we want to. So let me look now and say I want to look in the main circle direction. So we go to all directions, it looks okay. We look here, it looks okay in all directions. Alright, so we are done. I'll leave it as muzzle, and what we want to do now, we need to use rays to move it, to make it to focus a particular place. We want it to be that when we touch this, when the ray hits that, for example, like games like Call of Duty, all of the shooting games you see on phones, you will see that if the shooting is precise, unlike other games that the bullet is just shooting around. So what they just do is that they add the muzzle flash. Muzzle flash is just a light that shines, that shows when something happens. We are going to explain that Unity uses particle system to make a muzzle flash. I will do that in a later video. Okay, so we're going to use a ray. I'm going to shoot in a particular place, and that is what we want. So in our gun script, I want to make a new script called, I want to call it something like gun. Because that gun, and then click on new script, and then click on create and add. Alright, so it's going to now load for us to start making our gun script. Okay. Alright, so after some time to load. Alright guys, so we're here with our Visual Studio 2019, and the first thing I'm going to do is to remove the start function, and I'll write down some variables. Now I'll make a public float, and I'll call that range, and I'll set that to 100. This will be where the ray can stop hitting. So when it's above 100 units, it will stop, the place where it stop shooting in that direction. I also make a public transform, and I'll call that muzzle. I think that will be the model that we made in our Unity editor. So in the update function, we want to write something. If this that if input dot get button down, we bring out another bracket, and then right there fire one. Now fire one stands for shooting. It stands for shooting in the Unity editor. If you want to check that out in the input manager that I have done in different videos. So fire one is just the left mouse button. You can change that in the input manager. Okay, so I want to call if this happens. So every time we click on the mouse, on the left mouse button, we want to start shooting. So I'm going to make a method for this void shoot. Alright, so the first I want to start with is to I'm going to write the raycast hit. We call that hit, and after we now write physics dot raycast. And what we want it to do is that we want it to start from the muzzle of our gun to forward, like we want it to move straight to wherever to wherever I want it to be, and then at 100 units it will not hit anybody else again. So I'm going to write there muzzle dot transform dot position. We'll add the comma to give on that one muzzle dot sorry okay yes muzzle dot transform dot forward, and then we now put another comma and make that to be out hit for this are hit variable, and then the last one that we'll add is just arrange. And So now we have just called it out. So anytime you click on the left mouse button, anytime you click on the left mouse button, you want to shoot, and the shoot thing there that you're going to send out a ray from our muzzle to you're going to take it to a forward line, and the hit ray will shoot, and if it passes 100 units, which is the range, it will not go again. And that is just simple as that. But if you still play the game, nothing else will happen. So let's just throw a debug.log in our Unity console. I'll explain that when we go back to our Unity editor. So I'm going to write there, I want to add a so I write there debug.log and open up a bracket. Open up my bracket, and there I'm going to write out the heat, make that to be dot collider dot name, and that's all. So that if we go back